Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this KAIWEETS battery tester. The model KVB01 can test various 12 volt or 24 volt lead acid batteries, including ordinary floated, VRLA, GEL, AGM, SLA and SLI batteries for all automotive batteries, such as SUVs, motorcycles, trucks, boats, golf carts, lawn mowers and more. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. On a nice and lovely bag. I like it. It can measure the voltage, internal resistance, state of charge and health of the car battery. It can perform loading, cranking and charging tests. Nice and soft bag. Definitely it will protect this battery tester. 2 meters long cable, only one person can sit at the driver's side and complete the measurement. I like that. Large clamps with insulation. Copper connection on a black and red. And here it is, the tester. To power on the tester, obviously you need to connect the clamps at the battery. We have large display, M enter button for measurement and you can confirm. Up and down buttons, very soft, I like it. We have the language switch button, the backspace button escape and the record view button. Total we have 6 buttons. I like it, good construction, it feels like a premium product. I like the shape, very small, it can fit anywhere. So let's move on. Connect the clamps at the battery of my car and see how it works. Okay, after starting my engine we have 14.72 volt. Obviously my battery has a problem, so let's test it. Now with the arrow I can choose 12 or 24 volt. 12, enter, battery test, and I can choose one of these. It is a standard battery and the type of the battery is this. Parameters you can choose 300. Testing. Replace. Yes, I know. And that is the result. Again testing. Replace. Escape. And let's choose a cranking test. We can see the dynamic voltage, cranking and the standard. Good. Loading test. Loading test, turn on the load fully and increase the speed to 2000 to 2500 rpm, then press enter. Okay. I have just turned all the lights on, radio, AC, fan, pressing the brake, my surveillance camera, and then 2500 rpm the car, dynamic voltage, minimum and standard. Okay, good. Charging test. Start the engine and increase the speed to 2500 to 3000 rpm and press enter. Now let's switch off the lights and everything. 3000 RPM. Dynamic voltage, max voltage, minimum voltage. Nice. Good. And back. With this button we can see the record. Enter. Okay. Escape. And of course on 24 volts it is different. More voltage. Escape. 12 volts. Easy to use from the driver's seat. You can navigate other settings without having any problem, are understandable. I think is a tester that anyone needs to have at his car. Test your battery, check the voltage, if the battery is charging correct and has enough power to manage all the power consumption. Overall, how is the battery performance? With the window in the corner, I need to have this on my car. If you want to find out more about this product, you can check down below at the description. There is a link, just click it and find more information and where you can buy it. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.